In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Davinci Resolve. So first of all, if you already have an icon of Davinci Resolve on your desktop, you can just double click on that to open it. But if you don't have that icon on your desktop, you can just simply type into the search box of Windows for Davinci Resolve. Once you have done that, you will be able to see here Davinci Resolve in the search results. So you're just going to click on that to open it. Then you will be able to see here this kind of interface. First of all, you're going to create a new project by clicking on New Project from the lower side of your screen, and then type in the name of your project and then click on Create. After that, Davinci Resolve will launch. First of all, you're going to make sure that you are in the editing section of Davinci Resolve. You can go there by clicking on this third option from the lower side of your screen. Then you will be able to see here this kind of interface. You can import your media from the upper left side of your screen. Just right click here and then click on Import Media. Then you're going to drag and drop your media to your timeline. And if you want to zoom into your timeline, you can just do that by clicking on this plus button from the right side of your screen. Now it's time to add your text. So if you see at the left side of your screen, you should be able to see here your effects panel. But if you're not able to see that, you can just click on effects from the upper left side of your screen, and then you will be able to see this panel over here. In here, the first option you have is toolbox, and if you click on this arrow, a drop-down menu will appear. And in this drop-down menu, click on the third option, which is titles. Then you will be able to see here different text templates. But right now, I'm going to add this simple text, which is this one. Just drag and drop your text into your timeline. Then you're going to click on the text into your timeline, and if you see at the right side of your screen, you will be able to see here all the settings of your text. But if you're not able to see that, you can click on Inspector button located at the upper right side of your screen. First of all, you can change here the text. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see here all the settings of your text. First of all, you can change here the font family. Then you can change here the color, size, and tracking. The tracking is basically the distance between different characters of your text.